Hi children. Okay, I hope that you have already done the homework that I assigned yesterday. Okay, so today we're moving on to the second part of the worksheet. Okay, chapter 8, addition and subtraction within 20. Okay, we are still at word problems. Okay, I would like you to go grab your addition and subtraction within 20 worksheet. Turn to page 14. Okay, you draw a line right on top, okay, on the right hand corner, and then you write today's date. All right, you can actually pause the video while you go and grab your worksheet. Okay, but all right, okay, let me continue. Okay, later I will provide you the answers, okay, for pages 11 to 13. Can you please ask your parents to mark in blue or purple pen and send the marked worksheet to me? All right, I would like to really thank mommy and daddy, all right, for really helping me. Okay, do all this so that I can actually get your worksheets and I can mark and I can also, you know, uh, give you all some feedback and how you all are doing. All right, okay, let me continue. Okay, I am on page 14 now. Okay, so let's look at the first question, 13a. There are 16 red and blue balloons. So at this point of time, we don't know how many red and how many blue balloons there are. Okay, so we read the next sentence. 3 of them are blue balloons. So we know 3 are blue. All right, and how many red balloons are there? So at this point of time, we already know that 3 are blue. So that's the important one. Okay, you may take your ruler and underline. Okay, so this is the word problem. Okay, so let me put in the balloons. So these are the balloons. Okay, so based from the picture, you already know how many balloons there are. You can actually count. Okay, but what happens if they don't give you a picture? So that is when you need to work out the answer. Okay, so remember to write your EWA. Okay, let me remind you, E for equation, W for working, and A for answer, and your number bond as well. Okay, so let's move on. All right, so I know that, okay, 16 of them is total, and 3 are blue, so I need the red balloons. Okay, so I take away the ones that I don't need. Okay, so in this case, I know my whole is 16. I take away 3 that I don't need, okay, which is actually subtraction. All right, so 16 minus 3, I will get 13. Okay, so I transfer the answer to my equation. So 16 minus 3 equals to 13, and I have 13 red balloons. All right, so don't forget to check whether you have your equation working and answer. Okay, you may pause the video, all right, while you actually take some time to copy whatever Madam Ralia has gone through. All right,